Hi everyone, I hope all are fine. So, in this series, we are going to learn about the rational number. From the lower class, we have learned different types of numbers. The first one is a natural number, whole number, and then fractions, decimals, integers. So, in that series, we are going to learn the next one is a rational number. What do you mean by rational number? What is the correlation between the natural number and the rational number? Natural number and the whole number and the rational number, integers and the rational number. Everything we are going to learn clearly in this playlist. Okay, now what do you mean by roll number? Any number which can be written in a form P by Q. You may confuse what is a P by Q. P by Q is nothing, a numerator and a denominator. It may be written in the form A by B, X by Y, P by Q. So, this is just for example we are writing. So, in the place of A and B, we can substitute some other number. So, what is the main condition for the P by Q? The number which can be written in a P by Q, but very important condition, the denominator should not be equal to 0. What is the denominator? In the first one, the denominator is B. So, the number which can be written in a form A by B, where B is not equal to 0. B can be any non-zero number, but if 0 comes, it's not a rational number. Suppose I have written in a form x by y mean, in this which is the denominator? Yes, y is the denominator. So we are saying where y is not equal to 0. So any rational number, we are saying we can write a rational number can be represented in a form P by Q, that is a fractional form, but Q should not be equal to 0. And one more condition, P and Q should be prime number. What do you mean by prime number? Yes, you're right. A P and Q are prime number when they have a common factor as a 1. So, instead of a prime number, we can say P by Q should be in a lowest term. So, lowest term in already we have done many problems in the lower class. For example, 40 plus 50, and check whether is it in a lowest form or simplest form or least form. Yes, it is not. So we are striking. Now we are getting the answer 4 by 5. So now 4 and 5 are co-prime. They will available only common table as a one table. That's why we are saying 4 by 5 is a rational number. And we are checking the next condition, the denominator should not be equal to 0. So here we are checking the denominator, yes, it is equal to 5. So a number which can be written in a form P by Q is always a rational number. And one more thing, Q is not equal to 0. What about numerator, ma'am? Whether it can be a 0? Yes, numerator can be 0. 0 by 2 is 0. 0 by 3 is 0. But only one condition, the denominator should not be equal to 0. So, we are checking whether it is in a lowest term or not, and then the denominator whether it is equal to 0 or not. And then the P and Q both are integers. why they didn't mention the natural number or whole number mean all natural numbers and the whole numbers, everything will be included in the integers. Integers is along with the negative number and the positive number, but natural number and the whole number can be considered as an integer. That's why here they have given P and Q both are integers. So we can give any example. Why here they have given a negative number? Yes, a rational number can be a either positive or negative. So according to the rational number, the number which can be represented in a form P by Q, and Q is not equal to 0. P and Q are the co-prime, which is the lowest form of the fraction, and rational number either it can be a positive or negative integers. So in the next class we will see the continuation of the introduction of rational number. I hope so you have understood. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you all. Bye bye.